Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends on Temu. To invite friends on Temu, you need to first open your Temu application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your Temu application. Then here you'll be taken to Home. Now tap on U option on the down. After this, you'll be able to find Earn Credits and Free Gifts option. Tap on Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Then you'll be able to find different kind of options. Now, I suggest you to choose the one which is possible to do. Like here, I'm going to choose Win for Freebies, which is kind of easier than any other options. So tap on Get Now option. After this, now here you need to pick 3 gifts to win. Now here you can tap on the items that you want, then tap on Pick It option on the down. Similarly, do the same process for second and third items. After you complete doing so, tap on Confirm option. Now here, if you haven't entered your address, then you need to enter your address so that the product will be delivered to you. After you do so, tap on Confirm option on the down. With this, now you'll be able to find Invite Friends option. Here mine is Invite Friend to get energy. Tap on Invite Friends to get energy. After this, here you can see you can invite your friends through your Messenger application, through your WhatsApp, through Instagram or Facebook. You can choose on any of the option that you want. Or you can also copy the link. For that, tap on Copy Link option. Then you can share the link through different kind of medias. This is how we can invite friends on Temu. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.